Hello my friends. Today I'm going to be picking for you a lock that's been in my family for over 30 years. It's a Soul model number 2500. It's a 40 millimeter. I don't have the keys for it anymore as they were lost many years ago. I'm going to be single picking it today. It may take a little bit to get picked as I have to use a thinner pick in between with this tension wrench here. And I'll try to do it for you here on camera. As you can see, it's all locked up. Bear with me. I do not believe there's any security pins in here, but there's one pin in here that feels like it. And there you go, folks, all opened up. Wasn't too long, it was pretty quick, but if you have any questions about this lock, please ask. Please leave a comment. Please check out my other videos and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.